So Patrick Thick is going to set the pace for the field. Remember, nobody can pass him before they get to the start-finish line, or they may call a, no, they have to do it again. Lights on the car corner pace truck are out. For Patrick Thick, West Salem, Wisconsin, makes his home to the Rockford Speedway in an 02 Acura. Let's see what that Acura can do in this Midwest Dash Series as they're going to pick him up. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. It's going to be Thick and Bone off to the races here. Let's see what's going to happen. Amanda Bone's pulling away from Patrick Thick. Here comes Sean Rickelman. Looks like the outside groove might be the fast one for these guys. Rickelman makes his move around Patrick Thick. Bone's going to try to pull away. Justin Pearson's going to go right with Rickelman, along with Phil Maloff. And our driver, Pete Doxey's on the inside now. I don't think that inside's going to work out. Tim Finstad's going to try to get around those inside cars as well now. But it's Amanda Bone leading around, and Sean Rickelman into the back of Amanda Bone. I think maybe she missed something going into turn 2 as she let up real hard, and that almost got ugly. But Phil Maloff makes his move on Justin Pearson to grab third right there in the backstretch. But it's Rickelman to challenge Bone now. Tim Finstad trying to get away from those two inside cars. That's Patrick Thick and the 28 of Pete Doxey. Coming around halfway through now, this time by for Amanda Bone. It's Phil Maloff, your fast qualifier, looking to challenge Sean Rickelman, and he almost ran Rickelman right up into the wall as I think he thought he was on a dirt track. Kind of looked like it with that dive bomb move slide, and then didn't work out too good for him. Good saving, good driving by Phil Maloff, though. Justin Pearson just sitting back there like, what's going to happen here? Finstad starting to look to the inside of Pearson in that 19 car. 6 in, 2 to go this time for Amanda Bone. 6 laps for the 6 car. Is that her lucky number? Let's find out. But Rickelman is right there. Here comes your fast qualifier, Phil Maloff, to try to do it again. He's high this time. He might go low. Rickelman goes low to try to set up a block. Phil Maloff is going to go, let's see, I don't know what he's going to do. Rickelman looking to the inside again. Oh, Maloff gets into the back of Rickelman that time. And it looks like our Harlem High School kid's going to win the race. It's Amanda Bone. Wow, that got very interesting the whole way around. I wasn't sure what was going to happen there. Rickelman, it looked like maybe Bone maybe checked up just a little bit going into one, and Rickelman got in the back of her, and then Maloff went to the inside of Rickelman, and wow, that was crazy. But what a great race there. Great run for the Midwest Dash Series, heat number 2. This driver coming around, Steve Bone Landscaping, Carrie Bucket, Realtor, Century 21, Ridge Runner Racing, Race Street Graphics. She's driving an 89 Ford Mustang, very big into the Harlem Huskies bowling team. The reason why she's not in the Sixers class is because being in these short trackers, she's above that division. She cannot go back to a lower division like that and race with those guys. Let's make some noise if she's going to get out. I'm thinking she's going to get out. It's got to be a big moment for her. Let's see what she's going to do. Let's see. Okay, I think she's getting out. Helmet's coming off. It is hot. See the flag. All right. There she comes. Rockford Speedway, make some noise. Here she is, one of our rookies. It's Amanda Bone. All right.